Hey everyone, and welcome back to another video. In this video, I'm going to show you how to find your embed code from Calendly to put on Wix. Now, this video is going to be particularly useful for individuals. Let's say that you have a scheduling event on Calendly and you want this scheduling event to appear at your Wix website. How do you actually go ahead about doing so? Now, this video is going to be short, sweet, and simple, guys. There's not going to be a lot of steps involved. Now, in order to do this, what you're first going to do is log on to your Calendly website. Then find the event which you want to go ahead and get the embed code for. Then click on these three dots, then click on Add to Website. Next, click on Inline Embed, and then click on Continue. Now on the right-hand side here, this is what you need to copy and paste into your HTML on Wix so that you can go ahead and have this Calendly widget appear. So with that, you can also copy the code here, and there you have it. But that right there, guys, is the best and easiest way that I know of to actually go ahead and get your embed code from Calendly for Wix. If you guys know of a better or easier way to actually do this, let me know in the comments down below. I would love to know. Thanks so much for watching, everyone, and I'll see you guys all in the next video.